My name is Per-Erik Persson. I'm a management consultant specialized in leadership trainings. I love doing interactive workshops where I allow people to have an emotional experience of the knowledge, because I believe that allows them to really remember the theory that we go through. To me, this theory it's been life-changing. I think it's possibly peacemaking at all companies to realize that there will be phases of frustration, and we need to pass those phases of frustration in order to build trust with each other, to really make that effort and to really show empathy for each other, understanding, create cultures where we listen to each other, and that would allow us to really connect on a much deeper level. I've been doing these trainings for 7 years now, worked with companies such as Ericsson, SAP, IKEA, Electrolux, Trelleborg, and now I'm very happy doing it today in Helsinki.